Today we're going to go over the facts of turmeric, how easy it is to grow, and things that people don't even talk about that I think you should know to be very successful on growing turmeric. Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California. I don't even want to say harvested. I just did my turmeric, and I'll drop in the footage you could see. I had the turmeric in a bucket. And what I did was, I loaded all the extra turmeric I wasn't sure what I was going to do with, and I planted a bunch that's behind you, which is growing now. We're now in the right season. If the weather's warm, the evenings are starting to get warm, and that's what it likes. What happened was I didn't get back to it in time, but there was no soil in here. It created its own soil. Anything that was left on there, small amounts of soil, started to break down and make its own soil. There's even earthworms in here now. They found their way in there, and there could have been some stuck among the roots and stuff. So I just dumped it all, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's like 50 of them here on the table, not counting the entire bucket that was on the bottom. They all just started getting bigger and started growing, and I guess I'm going to be giving a lot to Gary. There's some little ones in here too. And I don't want to lose the earthworms because I'm going to plant as much as I can. So let me talk about turmeric today only, because turmeric is wonderful. You can chop it up, put it in your soups. You can chop it up, put it in salad. You can put it in stir fry. You can put it anywhere you want. You can scrape it with the edge of the spoon, and you can eat it raw, just like you would a carrot. It tastes fantastic, and it's so good for you. It really is. I need to eat more. I really do. Turmeric grows really easy. You can go to the grocery store, and as long as it hasn't been irradiated, you can probably get it to grow. All my turmeric came from like a couple little pieces. Bought it once, and that was it, or I probably took some from Gary, and all this for the past couple of years is from a few pieces. I mean, look how big it spreads. Look how big. I don't know if you can see that they get, and they get bigger than that. There's probably bigger ones in the bucket. They get really big. These aren't washed. Mine are bright orange. They grow really nice and orange. Turmeric is, like I said, very easy to grow. If you get some from the grocery store, the first thing I would do is look it over, try to get organic, and look it over and see that it's not moldy or it looks really good. I've seen some of the stores lately that are moldy, and they may not grow. So I don't know what's causing that. Look it over and see if it looks good. Then take it home and soak it. Soak it for at least 4 hours, but I would soak it overnight. So in case it's got a growth inhibitor on it, then that can come off. So that's what you want to get rid of, a growth inhibitor. If it's irradiated, it's like microwaved. It is gone. It will not come back. It might try to sprout, and then it will stop and die. So that's what you need to know about that. I'll let you drop that off. I'm doing a video on turmeric.
Oh, you grow turmeric? Like,
if I gave you a piece, would you grow it?
I would try to grow it. How would I grow it?
Do you have a flower pot or soil or anything?
I can get them.
I can give you a piece that started really nice. If you're in my video, is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, okay. You sure?
Yeah.
I'm trying to look for a nice, you know what, take this and just put it in a flower pot. You can put it in like that. So just drop it in just like that. All these pieces will turn around. Let's see if I got one that's a little better. Go ahead and take this and stick it in a flower pot, and then any soil. Pot, if you can get a little bit of potting soil, go to the dollar store and pick up. Yeah, and just water, and it's going to grow. If you got leaves, you can add like dried.
So this is going on
YouTube. Put it in any pot, and it will grow.
So this is turmeric,
And
right?
yes, this is turmeric. Now, if the stem dies off, just cut it. It will grow back. Yeah. Okay, have fun. Start a garden.
I know.
And you're okay to be, you want to be in the video?
It's fine.
Then I'm going to leave you in. Bye, have a great day. So, what was I saying? So you want to soak it. If it's been irradiated, like, it won't help. But if it's got growth inhibitor on it, then you soak it and you get rid of that, and then you can grow it and it will take off. So that's basically it. The main thing you want to know about ginger and turmeric is ginger and turmeric, though they grow the same in a flower pot, you can just plant it and grow it. You can put them both on the surface of the pot. You know, just put it on the surface and cover about an inch or two of soil. It will grow. But here is why, and I'll tell you why, I will not grow turmeric in a tote. Turmeric doesn't grow like ginger. Turmeric in the pot will grow and start to develop these hands, and they'll go down. They go down in the pot to the very bottom. So here's the issue. If you grow it in a great big tote, you've got to pull everything out. Let me tell you something. You have to pull everything out. I've done it. I had to go to the very bottom of the tote, pull everything out, and I was finding all this turmeric on the bottom. Because what it does is it continues to throw like this hand and get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it goes down. It will fill, and then it will go down. So you can have an entire pot. That's what was happening to me with turmeric. Now, when you got a pot, that's really easy. All you have to do is tip it. You tip it over on a table, in a wheelbarrow, anywhere you've got, and then you can sort through, get your turmeric out, and replant on the top some small pieces. You don't want to grow a big piece. You want to eat some and grow some. Ginger grows different. Ginger, let's just use this again. Ginger will grow out. It will spread. It doesn't go to the bottom. See, this has roots. Ginger gets these really thick roots, and they'll go down, 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 but that's not ginger. That's not the part you're going to eat of the ginger. We've eaten it. It's not that good. I mean, it's all right, has a slight ginger taste, but it's not the rhizome. It's just the roots. And so they send their roots down to get more water, food, nutrients to the bottom of the pot. That's the difference. So if you're growing ginger in a tote, you can reach in, dig it with your shovel, whatever, and get all the ginger that's on the top. It will grow all along the surface. But when you're growing turmeric, you'll miss a lot because it goes down. That's why I will only grow in pots. And you know what? Ginger and turmeric likes to be compressed. They actually grow better compressed. You give them a big area and they don't grow as good. But if you compress them in a pot, they grow real tight, and then they get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's really interesting how it grows, both of them. So I do like growing both in a pot because it's so easy to harvest when it's time to harvest, when everything dies back. Oh, come November, December, this will die completely back. It will turn brown, and then I can tip it. Now, this is edible right now. Some people eat the stems. I just eat this. But you can eat the whole thing. The point is, this is edible now. So you could pull it out. If I had it planted, that's one way of doing it. I could pull it out, cut off what I want, use that for cooking, and plant it right back. You don't even have to wait till it dries. Some people say you have to wait until the callus is over. I've never done that. So you would go in there, you could pull your plant out, if it's a single plant like that. See how many fingers this has? 1, 2, 3. You would cut off 2 or 3, doesn't matter, 1 or 2. Leave the main one that the plant's on, and if you accidentally break the plant off, it's okay. Just stick it back in a pot and it will regrow. This is starting already to grow. I'm trying to think of anything else you've asked me. I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this. This is the soil. This is just the soil that came out of the pot. It created its own soil. Now, I'm not going to throw that soil away or just dump it anywhere. I'm actually going to take a flower pot and I'm going to fill it with leaves like I do my toads, leaves on the bottom and potting soil and stuff. And I'm going to put this on the top because I think there's small little pieces of turmeric I missed in there, and that will grow. It's not going to give me a great big piece probably by the end of this year, but it will grow. I'll get nice pieces growing. See, that came off probably a little piece I didn't see, and that will take off and give me food too, and give me for next year as well. I think I've answered a lot of questions you've asked. This is fantastic. I just can't get over how much I've grown in such a small amount. Now, I really don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to bundle it all up because the sun's going to come soon, and I don't want this to dry up. But now I've got them separate, so I can put them all in a pot, and I can figure out how I want to grow them and go from there. Even the little ones, I might put, maybe like this, I could put 2 or 3 in there. I can put quite a few in there. I don't have to put one plant. See how this is? I can put 2 or 3 in one pot, and it's going to spread, and they'll push against each other, and each one's going to try to get bigger, and it's good. I'll end up with a whole lot. So I'm going to get this all planted within the next couple days. Remember, this one is turmeric. It goes down. It will spread, and it will go down. Ginger will grow on the surface. When I say surface, it will be under the soil, but it doesn't go down. And that's something you want to remember. Ginger will grow all through here. Turmeric will go all the way down. You could have a whole pot when you open it up, or you may find small pieces on the top and more growing towards the bottom. So this has been fun, and I hope you enjoyed this. Ask questions, and I'll make sure you can see this really, really good, because I need to get Gary over here too to get some in his garden. He's working in his garden, but oh my goodness. And can you imagine, this was sitting on the back porch and I didn't even look at it. See, there's a small piece there. This will grow too. I might cut it and start over on a big piece like this since it doesn't have a big hand. And it was just sitting there and it started to grow, and it was like, oh no, I've got to get to it. I got to it now with you. So you're going to come back and get some?
Yeah, I might be able to get some done today. I just haven't.
No, that's all right. What I'm going to do is just put them all in a pot right now and put a little water, because the sun is now coming, and I know a lot of it will have to be trimmed down, but they're all ready to grow, and I've got a whole bucket still that just started. All right, wave goodbye.
Bye.
All right, so he's going to take some. So what I did was I took a pot with holes in it. It's got to drain well, and I put on the bottom some toilet paper rolls, some dried leaves, green leaves, whatever I had. That will break down into beautiful rich soil, and I removed some of the soil out of here that I'm working with, this tote. This had all kinds of leaves. Look how beautiful and dark and rich the soil is. So this went in there. I put 5 plants in here because they were small, and you saw how packed they can grow anyways, and this way they'll spread, and it gives me more room to get more turmeric planted. And now I will take this container and sit it out of the sun. Being that I just planted it, the sun will be too hot for it and it will wilt. So I will put it out of the sun in the shade for at least a week or so. And if these die back, I will just trim them down, and then they'll start over from the rhizome. Oh, and don't forget, if you saw my video on how to eat your turmeric and grow more turmeric just by the skin that you didn't eat, I'll be sure to link the video down below. Check it out, because this way you can eat your turmeric and still grow from it. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.